y'all, it's your girl Stylicon, and I'm back at it again with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this soft eyeshadow cut crease look on my eyes. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that comment. I'm ODing. But yeah, if you guys are interested in how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching.
Alright, so first things first, we're gonna fill in our eyebrows. I gotta fill mine in, at least, because I ain't got none. And then we're gonna shape up our eyebrows with some concealer. The concealer that I decided to use today was the LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Chestnut. I used that to shape up the bottom of my brows, and then I used the color Dark Cocoa to shape up the top.
I just thought I would let you know that I will never let you go. I'm hot for you, babe, don't be cold. When you're gone, my heart is stay below.
Yeah, so after I blended out that concealer, I used my P. Louise Rumor Base 5 concealer to prep my eyelids.
30, yeah. I just pull up and then I sky.
And then I blended that out. Next, I took my Morphe 35N palette. I took that brown color inside the palette, and I used that as the first eyeshadow to put on my lid.
You won't give me the time of day. Here goes the song I sing.
Then I went into my Juvia's Place Magic Mini palette, and I basically used that orange shade to make it into a transition color. Okay, and after, I took that same Rumor Base 5 concealer and I used that to cut the crease to prime my eyelids for the lighter eyeshadow.
I just thought I would let you know that I will never let you go. I'm hot for you, babe, don't be cold. When you're gone, my heart is stay below.
So after, we're going to go back into our Juvia's Place Mini Magic palette, and we're going to take that light color right there and just pat that on to where we put the concealer.
30, yeah.
So after you're done putting on that eyeshadow, you're going to take the same brown that you had on the same brush, and you're going to blend that out into each other. And then after you're done with that, you're going to put on some eyeliner.
Order in the car. I just thought I would let you know that I will never let you go. I'm hot for you, babe, don't be cold. When you're gone, my heart is stay below.
So after you're done putting on your eyeliner, you're going to put on some mascara so that you can get the eyeshadow off of your lashes, and then you're going to put some lashes on your face. Okay.
I just pull up and then I skirt. I'll write my rose and write a verse. You want me gone or in a hearse. I did you wrong, I did you hurt. So many things I wanna say. You won't give me the time of day. Here goes the song I sing. I'm serious, babe. I'm not here to play. No, I'm not here to play. No, no. Oh, 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 oh.
Guys, as y'all are watching this video, I need y'all to go check out my Caravana vlog like right now. We were so lit in Canada. It was crazy. crazy, and I need y'all to see that. So go check that out, like right now, right now, or even after this video.
30 below, 30 below, 30 below, 30, yeah. Order in the car. I just thought I would let you know that I will never let you go. I'm hot for you, babe, don't be cold. When you're going, my heart is 30 below, 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 30, yeah. I just pull up and then I skirt. I'll write my rose and write a verse. You want me gone or in a hearse. I did you wrong, I did you hurt. So many things I wanna say. You won't give me the time of day. Here goes the song I sing, I'm serious, babe. I'm not here to play. No, I'm not here to play. No, no. Oh, 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 oh. I'm not here to play, baby. I just thought I would let you know that I will never let you go. I'm hot for you, babe, don't be cold. When you're going, my heart is 30 below, 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 30, yeah.
Guys, this is the final look. This is how my eyeshadow looks. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hit that like button down below. Comment in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.